It's a company that's aiming at comfort fit shoes, and I'm all about the comfort. So they have their competitors, people like Skechers and Adidas and Nike and Puma, people who do activewear or sports comfort shoes, and it's mostly based on a Western market. So we have like a Indian company that's going to work on an Indian market, which is very interesting. These extreme comfort engineered shoes. And once we open, we have a little brochure in here, and then it talks about Fluffium and Boyens, which is their food beds and their outsoles. So we had a little chat with the director, and they were telling ki the sole of their shoes is the sole, which is amazing. And let's see, and it's an Italian technology that they've used for the shoes, for the soles, and it comes in like four different models for now, and they're currently working towards extending the range of range of shoes, at the same time getting better quality at it. So that's nice. However, I asked if these were recyclable, but turns out it's not completely recyclable. So let's have a look at the shoe, and then we'll understand what's going on. Inside there's this beautiful multicolored packaging, and then once we open that, we have our shoes. These are in a neutral color, and this is actually a surprise unboxing, so I wasn't sure what color I'm gonna get, but I'm so happy I got these because I'm a neutrals person when it comes to accessories, because I like something that's versatile and I can put it with multiple set of clothes and I don't have to think too much about styling them. So this is beautiful. This is actually really nice, and it's made of knit, and it's a polyester blend knit. I just looked at their website, so that's again not completely recyclable. However, there's this great thing about knits that I don't know how many of you know. Knit can be made without sewing, so it can actually accommodate so many different foot types. Like even in the same size, like some of us have chubbier feet, or some of us have bonier feet, some of us have wider feet. So all of that can actually be accommodated in a knit shoe. So that's really nice, and it's super flexible, and it's machine washable, so low maintenance. And let me tell you, this is super light. Like, how do I show it's super light? It's super light. It's like feather light. It's so light, I'm sure it's going to be comfortable. So let's get these babies on. That fit like a dream, like a dream. It's so comfortable and so snug. It's so easy to wear. Like you can wear it even if you're like painting one hand nails, and then with the other hand you can just put it on. It's so easy. So that's awesome. That's comfort. These retail for 1,250 and are available in 13 colors for those of the color crazy ones out there. And I think it's a decent price range because it seems like a very sturdy product, and it's better to buy a product that's going to last you longer. Invest in something that will last you year long instead of buying something that will last you a month and keep buying new ones and creating more waste. So that's a really good thing. I think it's a really nice investment piece, and you should give that a shot because of that. These shoes have been great, guys. Like when it comes to the comfort part, like I've tried running with them, they actually work well, and they're very, very comfortable. And it's a very pretty color. Like I like the color enough. Like it might sound a little boring to quite some people, but I like colors like these because it will go with a lot of stuff. And they are really working on designs that can suit women our age, from an 18 to 30 kind of age group, where the kind of clothes we wear, it's more versatile, so it'll go with most things. And I think this actually goes with most Western wear, so it shouldn't be a problem. Also, when it comes to comfort fit shoes or active wear shoes that are mostly available for us, it's always with like a white sole. which is very difficult for like our market. So they've taken that into consideration, and they've taken like different shades between beige, gray to black, so that it's more practical for us in a bit of a tropical country. So that's a beautiful thing. If you ask me about the things that I really like about it, I like the fact that it's knit and it can, it's more comfortable. There's no shoe bites, and I'm a person who suffers a lot because of shoe bites, and I really don't like that. So I don't like getting shoes at all. I don't generally wear closed foot shoes because I don't find it comfortable. I have like a wider area when it comes to my toes. So this is actually very comfortable for people like that, and also people with fleshier feet. This is super comfortable, and it's a great option for people who have to wear cut shoes to college or to school, because these are super comfortable, and if you want to run around, it's perfect. So that's amazing about these shoes. It's super light, so it's very travel friendly, and they do seem sturdy even then, and they are machine washable, so it's definitely low maintenance.